Welcome to this comprehensive guide on logo design and branding tools. In this series, we'll explore the best professional platforms available for creating stunning logos and establishing a strong visual identity for your brand. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, you'll discover tools that match your workflow and budget. Professional logo design tools offer several key benefits. First, they deliver professional quality results that rival expensive design agencies. Second, they save you significant time and money compared to hiring a freelancer. Third, they ensure consistency across all your brand assets. When choosing a tool, look for an intuitive user interface that's easy to learn, access to design templates and customization options, and support for multiple export formats so you can use your logo anywhere. There are three major platforms that dominate the logo design space. Canva offers artificial intelligence-powered design with thousands of customizable templates, making it perfect for quick results. Adobe Express provides a professional editing suite with advanced tools for designers who want more control. Figma is a collaborative design platform that's ideal for teams working together on brand identity projects in real time. When evaluating these platforms, focus on four key strengths. User interface and learning curve determine how quickly you can produce viable concepts without friction. Vector and precision capabilities ensure your logo scales infinitely and maintains quality at any size. Collaboration features enable real-time editing and team feedback, which is essential for brand identity work. These factors directly influence which tool best fits your workflow and team structure. Deliverables are crucial for real-world branding applications. You'll need vector masters in formats like SVG and PDF for infinite scalability and precision work. Raster exports in PNG with transparent backgrounds and JPEG are essential for web and mockups. Professional platforms should also provide comprehensive brand asset packages that include color palettes in hex and Pantone formats, typography specifications, and usage guidelines. This ensures consistency across all your marketing materials. A practical workflow streamlines logo production and handoff. Start with research and briefing, gathering brand goals, target audience information, and visual references to establish clear design constraints. Next comes sketching and iteration, where you rapidly explore multiple concept directions using thumbnails, then refine your best ideas in vector tools. Finally, polish and export your design by finalizing the geometry, selecting your color palette and typography, then exporting both vector masters and complete asset packages ready for implementation. Canva excels with its extensive template library and beginner-friendly interface, affordable pricing, and multiple export format options. Adobe Express offers a professional editing suite with advanced typography tools, cloud integration with your other Adobe products, and access to premium brand assets. Figma provides true vector editing capabilities, real-time team collaboration, plugin and extension support for extending functionality, and built-in design systems support for managing larger brand projects. Each platform has distinct strengths suited to different user needs. To find your ideal platform, start experimenting with free trials of each tool to understand which workflow feels most natural and which feature set aligns with your needs. Deepen your skills by mastering vector design fundamentals and learning professional brand guidelines to elevate the quality of your output. Remember that great logo design combines strategic thinking about your brand, technical proficiency with your chosen tool, and creative vision. The platform is simply the medium through which you bring your ideas to life. Choose wisely and create confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.